Welcome back to the Barbecue Lab. My name is David Gafford, and today we're going to take an in-depth look at a new chef's knife by Kitsune Cutlery. This is their Damascus Chef's Knife, and I can't wait to show you what it's all about. Coming right up. Okay, so Kitsune Cutlery reached out and said, hey, would you like to do a review of our chef's knife? And I said, I'm a knife collector. I love collecting knives, love having different knives in my kitchen. So sure, we'd love to take a look. So I want to show you what's inside the box and what this knife is all about. So we have the Kitsune Cutlery packaging here, and you'll notice that it comes in this nice little collector's box, which when you take that off, you have their pamphlet, and it talks about that this is a 8-inch Kitsune VG10 Damascus Chef's Knife. So that's what we're looking at here today. We take the padding off, and here is our knife. And you'll notice right from the outset that it has that gorgeous Damascus layering all the way through here on the edge of the knife, as well as it actually has the hand-hammered look on the top. So we have the Damascus layering, which gives the knife just a gorgeous look. We have the hand hammered, all the dots up here, all of these hammered dots up throughout. And what you'll notice is there's an octagonal handle. So this is an 8-sided handle. So it's not necessarily smooth like you might find on a Wusthof, and it's not necessarily molded like you might find on some others, but this is this octagonal design. And I can't wait to see how this actually cuts. I can't think of a better way to show you what this knife is all about than just to use it and show you what it's like in real life. So we have the Kitsune Cutlery knife here. And before I do anything with knives, one of my standard practices that I use is I make sure that I glove up. And I glove up using two things. The first one is an anti-cut glove. This is a glove that you can cut with a knife. It's not going to cut through into your hand or your finger in case you actually accidentally have a mishit. Now, I'm not a professional chef. I do quite a bit of cutting around the house, but I have also cut myself and needed to go to the emergency room before. So, once bitten, twice shy is probably a motto that I would use around this. So, on the outside of that glove, I would just break this one. I'm going to need another one of these. Now, on the outside of this anti-cut glove, to make sure that this doesn't pick up any of the food, I like to use a nitrile glove as well. So, I just pick up a nitrile glove. We'll have a link in the description below that you can find both of these. But this makes it that we don't cut ourselves in the kitchen, and it keeps it easy to clean, because this way all you're doing is you're disposing of the nitrile glove and you're back in business. So today we're actually doing some Chinese at our house, and we're going to be making some sweet and sour chicken. And with the sweet and sour chicken, we need onions, carrots, and bell pepper. So I'm going to go ahead and chop these up and show you what this knife does with these vegetables. All right, we're going to go ahead and start with the onion. I just need this roughly chopped, and actually not even roughly chopped. I just need it chunked for our dish. Man, that cuts through nice and even, nice and easy. But for this, all I need is a rough chop. Easy, like butter. Man, that was nice. All right, there's that. All right, the other half of the onion. Nice and easy. Man, no work at all cutting with that. All right, let's try some bell pepper. Taking off the outside here. Nice and easy. Let's get out some of these seeds. All right, so these peppers, I just need a rough chop as well. Goes right through. Man, nice and easy. I got to tell you, I'm used to using Wusthof around the Barbecue Lab. I have a few others as well, but those have been the mainstay. And this easily cuts as well, if not even better than our Wustofs. Now, our Wustofs, granted, they're a little bit older in that we've had them for, oh gosh, 8, 10, 12 years. But this, right out of the box, nice and sharp. All right, now let's tackle some carrot. I'm going to take off the end. Man, easy all the way through. Slice this on the bias. Look at that. Nice, easy slices through. Man, that works well. I like the rock and chop motion. Don't have any issues with that. Although I am making the camera person shake a little bit. Sorry about that, Melissa. Try to do less rocking of the boat here. Okay, so we've chopped a few vegetables and you have seen how the knife has performed with that. Now the ever so popular paper test. Now remember, we've cut vegetables with this knife, so it's not factory sharp anymore. But let's see how it does with a piece of paper. Whoa, smooth like butter, man. Yeah, not an issue whatsoever. Still crazy, crazy sharp, man. So here's what I would say. If you're in the market for a knife and you're interested in a Japanese style knife and you like this idea of the Damascus pattern and you like the idea of these hand indentations on the top, I would give a serious look to Kitsune Cutlery. Now the price is actually only $79 for this knife at the time that we're shooting this video. And the thing I like about that is many of the knives that you would see of this type and style, even whether it be on Amazon or whether you be on a knife store or you be your favorite Bed Bath & Beyond, pick your favorite place, you're going to find brand names that knives just like this are going to start in the $160 to $220, $240 range. At $79, this is actually a really incredible steal. It just comes down to, is this the knife for you? Would you enjoy this octagonal handle? Does it fit well in your hand? Now I have a relatively large hand. My hand fits around it no problem. And I do like that there is actual knuckle clearance underneath the knife. So as I'm using the rock and chop method, my hands can still fit underneath. I like that about this knife. So I guess the question really comes down to, is this what you're looking for in a knife? If it is, I'd be sure to look these guys up. You're not going to find them anywhere but on their website because they are a direct-to-consumer sales platform. So this isn't something that you'll find on many of the popular websites out there. You're going to find this just on their website. So I'd encourage you to give Kitsune Cutlery a look. This is their first knife of many. They actually have $25,000 that they've raised on Kickstarter to be able to back this knife in this program. So I give them a look. I think there's more knives to come. But email Benjamin over there or check out their website if you're interested in this knife. I know I like it. We're going to put this in the rotation that we'll use in future videos. So I want to say thanks for asking us to review this. And if you'd like to know more, just check out the information in the description below. And we look forward to seeing you next time right here on the Barbecue Lab.